guys, it's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics, and we have our blue camo for you today. This is a 90 centimeter, so not quite a full meter wide, but still pretty large. We do call it blue camo, but obviously you're not going to get a whole lot of true camouflage out of this, but it does have some really bold royal blue in it. I'll point that out here in a second. Sorry, I'm trying to get this last air bubble out of there. There we go. Right here, I don't know how it shows on there. It's kind of wonky when you put it on a computer screen. Hopefully you can still see, but these ones right here, these are like a really bright royal blue. When it's on the screen, these look gray. They are not gray. You'll see when I print it, they are actually like a really light blue. And then when you have them crossed, it's like a grayish blue. So you'll see all that when we print it. I am actually going to print to white and our, I believe that's our Synergy Green Metallic. Just because this has a transparent background and there's really no reason not to play with your base coat colors. I mean, sure, you can use white if that's what you prefer, but you could absolutely use just about any color of the rainbow except for a blue that will make the ink in the pattern disappear. Got some air bubbles going on here. I'm just gonna, this one's gonna have a little bit of a miss in it, the Synergy Green Metallic, but there's so much transparency in this pattern, it should be pretty forgiving. Alright, so there's your white base, and that is a Synergy Green Metallic. Two totally different outcomes. But that would look really cool with our bright orange, neon yellow metallic, just about anything. It does look good on a white as well though. So, personal preference. Obviously the bright royal blue is toned down when you put it on something other than white though. But as you can see on the white here, this is not, I mean, I guess you could argue that it's gray, but it's really not as gray as it looks when it's on the computer screen. It's more of like a grayish blue. So, and here's a quarter for reference. They're between a ½ inch and an inch long, about there, about probably less than a ¼ inch wide. So really small, great for just about any project. Again, that's 90 centimeters wide, so you can fit large things like motorcycle tanks in that if you needed to, wheels, but you can do anything small, like as small as a vape mod box, just about anything. That will be in the camo section though, and that is at KansasHydrographics.com. If you guys don't have it by now, make sure you have our app. It's just super easy to order things that way, and you get updates as well using that route. But anyway, that is it for now, and we will see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.